In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to connect a payment provider so customers can pay you smoothly at checkout. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account and you're on your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin page where you manage your products, orders, and settings. From here, we're going to move into the area where payments are controlled. Look towards the bottom left of your dashboard and click on Settings. This opens a new page with different options for how your store behaves, from general details to shipping, taxes, and more. We're interested in the section that handles how you get paid. Inside the Settings page, find and click on Payments. This is where Shopify shows you all your available and active payment methods. If this is a new store, the page might look fairly empty, which is normal. What we want to do next is add a payment method, so customers can actually complete their orders. On the payments page, look for the button that says Add Payment Method and click it. This will open a panel where Shopify lets you choose how you want to accept payments. You'll see options to search by provider or to choose based on type. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Search by Provider option. So go ahead and click on Search by Provider. A search bar will appear. In that search bar, start typing the name of the provider you want to use. For example, Paystack. As you type, Shopify will filter the list of available providers for your region. When you see Paystack appear in the list of results, click on it. Shopify will show you more details about this provider, including information about fees. Here, you'll see a line mentioning the transaction fee, along with a note that the provider's own processing fees will also apply. Click on that option so you can move forward with the integration. Next, you'll see an Install button. Click on Install to add this payment provider to your Shopify store. After a brief moment, Shopify will ask you to confirm again, just to make sure you really want to connect this app to your store. Click on Install again to confirm. Once the installation is complete, Shopify will redirect you or provide a link to continue the setup process on the provider's own dashboard. Follow the instructions there to link your account, add your business details, and complete any verification they require. After that, your Shopify store will be ready to accept payments through